Hi guys, so I'm going to make, I think I've made like a new intro. So in the last video I was showing these, my battlegun, and yeah, so if you want to learn how to do that, watch this video because you'll learn. So at first, if you want to do this, you have to be like but not make the noise. You just have to do it quietly. But then when you're doing that, you use your tongue and try and move it a bit, like a bit off your gum or something. It's like you're biting something, but you're like you're biting something. You're like, it's like you're sneezing. You're like, ah. Right. So then if you go like that, but you don't go like, you can go like. So I just said bye guys, have a good Christmas. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.